All right, everybody, AJ Shaver from Shaver Sales, and I have like this stray dog that followed me home from Boonville. So, John, go ahead and give a plug for your channel. I don't want to mess up the name on it. So
my channel name is Mt Tammany Ridge, and I'm out of northwestern New Jersey. And we just have a small equine farm there, and we do a lot of rural living kind of video content, from horses to just maintaining the farm, and primarily firewood. So if you want, you can swing by our channel, check it out, and maybe subscribe. That'd be awesome.
Oh, absolutely subscribe. Get the views, man. Don't be bashful. Ask for it. Ask for it. Go for the clothes. So, no, John was hanging around the Boonville booth for quite a while. We put him to work on some of the splitters, and you know what? Just by God, he had to come down here and grab one. So, we're gonna show you the little lineup of toys I have behind me here, and we'll go from there. Eventually, it's gonna end up in his dump trailer over there, but we'll show you which one we're picking out and which one we're gonna send home with him. All right. So when I build stuff, I really don't mess around. And I don't want to ruin John for life, so I'm not going to send him home and make the reference that he's got to buy the 2024, because you'd be ruined for life. That would just be, it's just bad. So, the 2024 Auto Cycle Fast Split Oil Cooler, electric start, 19 horse, still has the Boonville mud on it. I didn't have a chance to even wash them off yet. Took them off the rollback last night around, oh heavens, I think it was 11:30 or so. But when I order these, we get them with everything. So this is the 4-way, an 8-way, a 6-way, a 12-way. This is the crazy 10-way. That's probably my most favoriteest ever wedge that is put on a splitter or a processor. 4.5-inch cylinder. Again, the Auto Cycle, the hydraulic wedge lift, the log lift, in-tank oil filter, the oil cooler, the auxiliary fuel tank, the electric start, 19 horsepower, and the 2-stage pump. There's the fast split. Big heavy duty commercial splitter, and we'll run with the show price for just a little bit longer there. Again, it's got 4 different wedges. There's probably $2, $3, $4, almost $5,000 in wedges in part of that price. We can break it up a little bit, but why I want to start off with this 2024 is because of this cylinder that's in here. This is the factory standard 4.5-inch big bore fast split cylinder, and the one that John picked out to take home with him is actually the semi-pro that's right next to it. And as you can see, it's got the 4-way. We do it with the 8-way. I wouldn't normally do an 8-way on a semi-pro, but we put the upgraded cylinder on this one. This is the exact same cylinder as what's on the 2024. So he's going to get all that pressure, all that tonnage in the smaller package. The semi-pro has a couple really nice bells and whistles that come with it, and it got a couple extras on this one, but basically, at a glance here, it's a solid axle. There's no spindles that are just welded on. It's a true solid axle, 13-inch rubber, highway towable. We did an upgraded 14 horsepower electric start. So even if somebody wanted to do like a light stanchion on this or something for doing like the after hours wood, you would make that possible because we now have a battery on the other side. The log lift is always standard. The fast split is always standard. The in-tank oil filter is always standard. The pressure gauge is always standard. Some phenolic wear material against the main I-beam support there. Well, actually, it's not an I-beam. It's tube steel. It's been reinforced with 3/4-inch plate steel going across. And then it will always come with a 4-way wedge. But like I said, with the bigger cylinder on this, we're going to let John make really small pieces out of big pieces with an 8-way. The hitch is always removable, and these new 2.0 semi-pros have the 4-way height adjustment. It's manual. You got to pull the pin and take it up and down, but it's a lot better than the original design that we had. The original one is great. Don't get me wrong. If you have one, it's still an awesome splitter, but to be able to adapt from a 4-way, a 6-way, or an 8-way in a matter of minutes is pretty awesome. And we got the new upgraded pusher plate with the brute on it. Again, still got some Boonville mud. And then we just have 2 regular stock semi-pros with the 3.5-inch cylinders. The nice thing with the 3.5-inch cylinder, they are actually a 4-second cycle time. This one takes more oil, so you're about a 6 to maybe a 7-second cycle time down and back, which is still pretty quick, but just not as fast as the base model unit. So just give you a little comparison there, size-wise, between a 2024 and a semi-pro. So other than that, I think we're just going to take my little workhorse from Boonville. It's still loaded down with the booth mud, and get this pulled out of the lineup, and then we'll just do a little closeout video while we got her in the back of John's dump trailer. Well, it was pretty easy loading. So like I always say, the videos that we produce are not a paid promotion by the manufacturer, but it's our sales tool to reach you, the customer. So if we can earn your business with that sales quote, it's 833 splitter. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me. It's sales@shaverequipment.com. And usually email, that's probably the best. You can text me on the splitter number as well. But we'd love to earn your business with the sales quote. We'll get it typed up, get it right over to you, just like we did with John. And here we are. He's got to pinch himself that there's a semi-pro in the back of his dump trailer. So go ahead and give your channel one more plug, boss.
All right, so yeah, my channel's Mt Tammany Ridge. And again, we're out of northwestern New Jersey, small equine farm, rural living kind of content on there. And a lot of firewood split, so you guys might enjoy that. If you swing by, like, comment, subscribe, and give these guys a call if you see anything you like.
Very good, boss. Well, we're looking forward to see some little pieces coming off of big pieces with this one, sir.
AJ, thanks.
Appreciate you much, man. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Remember, we're always working hard to be lazy. We'll see you next time.